6, 13, 14. Oh, let me turn the volume. Sorry, guys. There you go. 6, 13, 14. It looks like this exit technique is staying solid. And what I see in this jump is a couple of little things. The sixes, I feel like we took a little step back, Manuel. See what you think though, watching them again. Look at the rotation, see how quickly you rotate. And that just blocks Felipe up a little bit. And then the other thing is the move from the 13 into the 14. So 1, 2, 3. Did you guys look, Manuel and Marconi? Oops, sorry for that. Manuel and Marconi, did you guys look at the other build? Did you look at taking the short turn? So it would be a left turn for Manuel and Marconi to the 14. Just your 14s are good. There's no problem with the timing. I just feel there's a lot of momentum going into this build and a lot of time spent doing it. Now, I know it's a standard move, one that you're used to, but it might be worth looking at the left 90 and building a slightly straighter 14. And when that happens, of course, Fred and Felipe would have to adjust their timing a little bit at the start of the 14 because you won't have the cheated build. Again, sorry for the computer issues, I'm just going to let it play. So key things on this jump are the build to the 14, maybe have another one in your arsenal, and the sixes, I feel like we've just stepped a little bit back in the technique. And so by Manuel not getting as much forward as we'd like him to, he now kind of puts pressure on Felipe, and he has, instead of him being able to go forward and then turn, because his door is staying closed, his door's closed, he can't really go anywhere yet. He wants that grip to go down the line. Oops, sorry guys. Again, that's not me messing with the computer, it's just some other things. All right. Oh, I did notice Fred and Felipe. Let me see if I can find it on the 13s. Every so often, Felipe ends up. Look at where Felipe is as opposed to you, Fred. So you can now see how it would be. Oh, this is actually a good one. Sorry, it was a previous one, I think. Yeah, something like this, when Felipe is boxed around the corner a little bit as opposed to you're in front, and so it's easier for you, Fred, to get going. You do really good on most of them. Just make sure that you're timing that with Felipe so he doesn't end up with a problem with a double vertical. Okay, and it's the shape of that 13. I'm pretty sure it's a factor of the tunnel, but it does require Manuel and Marconi in their A slot to build that compress right in the center of the tunnel.